I'm Kat, this is my van, and today I am going to show you where we go to the bathroom, because apparently that is the question that everybody wants to know. So first of all, we have a compost toilet. It lives in our garage and can be pulled out into the living area. It's from Trobolo and it is really nice. I don't know why all toilet seats aren't made of wood, because it is so comfy. It has a divider, so it's a pretty simple system. Number ones go into one container, number twos go into a different container with a bag, and then we pretty much dispose of them use by use. I love using the compost toilet, but Rid tends to try and avoid it, so that brings us on to method number two, digging a hole. So we have this little beast that comes everywhere with us. So yeah, when we're in the wild, when we're in nature, when we can go far away, find a quiet spot, dig a hole, do your business, and then bury it, okay? If you're one of those people who leave toilet paper in nature, do better. And then number three, I guess, public toilets is another big one. So when we were travelling a lot in Rid's Vivaro van, we didn't have any form of toilet system. So we're pretty used to factoring in bathroom stops into our travel plans, and we still do that now. It's always sort of, you know, if we know we're going to be past the toilet or if we're going to fuel up. Repsol garages in Europe are pretty good. They have really nice toilets. So those are the main three ways that we go to the bathroom on the road. Obviously, if we eat or drink out or go to friends and family, we make the most of those amenities too. I hope that's given you the insight you were looking for, or given you a little inspiration for your own van build. I'll be posting more mini videos here soon, breaking down how I built each part of the van. So if you're interested in that, hit subscribe and I'll see you again soon.